What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to review the Arnova Gcam, which is very latest, and this is built for so many devices. But fortunately this Gcam is working in our Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well, so that's why I thought I should share with you guys. So that's why I'm doing this video. So now let's get it started. Just download the Arnova Gcam from the given link in description and then just install like normal APK. And now here you guys can see the user interface. So this is the interface of Arnova Gcam. So this Gcam is really cool, and this is ported by one of the best developer who ported Gcam. So let me show you what's working and what's not. The slow motion and time lapse not working. If it will, then time lapse will work, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't work. So without that, everything working. And video, first of all I want to cover the video section, and you guys can use HD 30 fps and auto and 60, both working. 30 fps 60 fps working pretty much fine, and also 4K 30 fps working pretty much fine without any issue, and you will get a great video with that. If you want to make video, then you guys can easily do that. And after that, the camera section working without any issue, and you guys can change it, but I don't think it's important because this is secondary camera and this is not working. And here the portrait section also working without any issue. You guys can easily install. Let me show you that. And the important thing is that if you guys want to take photos, and after taking photos it doesn't take much time. It takes very little time to process a photo. So that's why I can blindly recommend you guys can use this on your Redmi 7. And I don't know it's working on MIUI or not. I could not check that on MIUI because I am on Android 11 Havoc OS, so that's why I could not test it. So if you are on MIUI, then you guys can download it and try yourself. Maybe it can work, so it's up to you. And here is the night side, and finally night side everything is just working, no issues. And let me show you by clicking one photo. So here you guys can see the process has begun. So here you guys can see the process done. So we are ready to open the photo. So very quick, it can process any photos like portrait, camera and night side, whatever you say. And the picture quality you guys can see is really cool. And now I just want to show you some samples, and before we move on to that, let me show you the settings. Here just go to advanced settings and turn off the HDR control, enable the show dirty lens warning. And if you have built-in some XML files, then you guys can use that XML files, no issues on that. And if you have XML files, then go to advanced section and then scroll down, and you guys can see here the XML config and libconfig. If you have libconfig, you guys can use, and if you don't have, then don't use. And if you have XML file, then you guys can add XML file from here, no problem. And enable golden ratio 4:4, whatever you need, you guys can enable grid type and framing hints. Everything is just working without any issue. And now let me show you some samples I have taken with video footage. So let me show you that. So let me show you from that. And this one taken with night mode, and this is really cool photo, like you guys can see. This is really cool, isn't it? And the details level is really cool. You guys can see that, so much details in that, because this is Arnova Gcam, and Arnova Gcam is always known for its details and clarity, everything, and in color, saturated, everything. Saturation level and bokeh effect, everything is cool, and background blur is intense. You guys can see here in that photo as well, the background blur. Here is that background blur is intense here, no issues, and you guys can see every single details in photos. You guys can see, and after that we have another one, and you guys can see this is really cool. Every single details are present here. And after that, let me show you another one. So here is that, and background bokeh is intense, no issues. And of course the front portrait and front camera is working pretty much fine, no issues on that as well. And here you guys can see the details level, high quality details is present here. You guys can see so much you guys can do. So after that, another sample, and let me show you that. So here is that, to check the dynamic range, and it's working. You guys can see this is really cool. This is a dynamic range is really great. Another photo, you guys can see the details. It's really cool, isn't it? Just watch here. Details level is just awesome, and you guys can zoom in as much as you can, no problem. And after that, we have this one, and this one is useless because that was not focused. And this one, you can see the clarity and details. It's really cool. And now I'm just going to show you this one. Here you guys can see this is full HD 60 FPS. And after, and let me show you that from MX Player. So here I'll show you guys video sample of 4K 30 FPS and full HD 60 FPS. Let's have a look. You guys can see this is full HD 60 FPS, and after that you guys will watch 4K 30 FPS. And let me check the autofocus how can it perform. So this is quicker and faster, and autofocus, no issues. Autofocus is working pretty much fine, and as a low-end device it's really good. So this Gcam is really cool, working perfect. So now let's check out the second one, and which is 4K 30 FPS. So it's faster. So it's cool. You guys are watching 4K 30 FPS, and let me know in the comment section below how is the performance in 4K 30 FPS this Gcam. You guys can see. Let me check dynamic ranges and everything. So it's working pretty much fine. And let me check autofocus. So it's working fine. So it's faster. Yes, and you guys can see the clarity of the footage. So I hope you guys got a clear idea about this Arnova Gcam, and really thanks to him for this build. And we're lucky this Gcam is working in Redmi 7. And so hope you guys understand the video, and if you like my work, then please drop a like, and single like motivates a lot. So that's why I'm asking this. And if you're new, then do subscribe and set the bell icon to on. And thank you for watching.